In this video, we're going to cover ways that you can optimize your videos for search engine optimization. So this is the checklist of things you might want to look at as you're thinking of ways to optimize your videos for search. We're going to go through each of these in a little bit more detail. First of all, you want to use keywords. So identify the best keywords that your industry uses, your company uses, and make it relentless and deep. Like, think of a lot of words. Rank Tracker treats individual YouTube URLs as site addresses, so it can automatically generate keywords and key phrases from any YouTube URL, but you have to download Rank Tracker. So you might want to try that out. You can also use things like Google Keyword Planner, which is part of AdWords, YouTube Results and Trends, Google Trends for YouTube, or keywordtool.io, which is free, but you have to create an account for it. I've put all the web addresses for those there, but you might want to check those out and use those to get some ideas for specific keywords you could use. So again, relentless and deep keyword search, and look for search terms and categories where Google is likely to deliver YouTube results. So I mentioned in a previous video using the word how-to or tutorial, humor, review, fitness and sports. Those are all good words that are likely to deliver good YouTube results. Secondly, you want to host your video everywhere. Embed it on your website, host it on a landing page, add it to Facebook and to other social channels. Although they will tell you that for better Facebook optimization, you should upload it directly to YouTube versus linking from Facebook. You should upload it directly to Facebook versus linking a YouTube video to Facebook. You'll get better views on Facebook if you have your video uploaded directly there. But you can use the same video that you've uploaded to YouTube, just upload it again to Facebook. And then you want to optimize for the mobile experience. A lot of people increasingly are watching these videos on YouTube from their mobile devices. It's increasingly the platform of choice. So keep mobile in mind when you shoot video, and choose the size and quality of the video file, because sometimes a huge video will take forever to load. So, but you want video to be sharp and shot with the small screen in mind as well, in order to increase watch time and engagement. Next, you want to optimize the title. So, to attract humans, if it's relevant, add one of the magically alluring words such as free or new or secret or amazing. Be descriptive. Appeal to search engines with your keyword or key phrase near the beginning of the title. And appeal to searchers with those alluring AdWords that I mentioned. The alluring words I mentioned earlier. I search for videos constantly, and I'm always putting how to blank, fill in the blank, or such and such tutorial. So make sure you use those words if that is in fact what your video includes. Make the description work harder for you. So the first 100 words or so will appear on YouTube search results. So be intriguing and accurate. More content is indexed by Google search bots. So use keywords to help rankings in the content descriptions of each individual video as well. Some people go so far as to put the text of their video, like the transcript of their video, in that description to improve search as well. And then add links to your website and social media channels that drive people to your YouTube channel or to specific videos. Tag well. Use relevant keywords. Start with longer phrases, then narrow them down. So, for example, how to make spaghetti, making spaghetti, and spaghetti. So the more specific they are, the more relevant that content will be for the viewer. So the more likely they will be to click on it if that is in fact what they're looking for, and that will improve your search engine as well, your search engine rankings. Also include the names of people in your video or people who are mentioned in the video. Include your brand name, your company names, and if applicable, even include your competitors' brands. And again, for a video, you might include how to play, tutorial, etc. Next, choose an attractive thumbnail. So use a close-up photo that can be clearly seen on a mobile device. We're becoming more of a visual society, and many searchers will look at the thumbnails to decide what to click on. Your thumbnail image should be a close-up that can be clearly seen even on a smartphone. So that's a way to get people to click as well. And then include end screens and cards. End screens are clickable text or images that appear on desktop and mobile video, and they're used to direct viewers to another video, to a playlist, or to more channel content. And then cards are pre-formatted notifications that appear on desktop and mobile videos, and they're teasers that expand if you hover over them. So using these can really help increase engagement and direct people to other videos, to your websites, getting them to subscribe and things like that. Then create playlists. At the end of one playlist video, YouTube automatically plays the next one on the playlist. So this helps you increase your number of video views. Another tip, instead of sharing a link to an individual video via social media, share the URL for the entire playlist. Sort your collection of videos by playlist in a way that helps people find it easier, in a way that really organizes the content for people. It'll increase those individual video views and can increase your overall watch time. So it also increases the time on page and the time on site that people spend on your YouTube channel. Provide transcripts of your video. If you don't already have a script or a transcript of your video, Google can actually help you create one from YouTube videos. And a bonus tip, if you have a transcript, edit it to clean up the language and repurpose it as a series of blog posts, perhaps. The benefits to search engine optimization are that the text is naturally rich with keywords, key phrases, and related concepts. So it's also useful for people who want the content without having to watch the full video. Create closed captions. Because speech recognition isn't perfect, take the time to edit the captions. Google's speech recognition technology can provide closed captions for most videos, and Google can create closed captions in 10 languages for international viewers of your content as well. So it's another way to increase your keyword density. And then try for backlinks. So backlinks are the incoming hyperlink from one web page to another website. The more backlinks you have pointing back to your site, the more popular it is. So allow others to embed your videos. Encourage social sharing by adding social sharing buttons and posting the video to social media. And then tag any experts or sources you reference in the video. Add social media follow buttons. This expands your audience and increases overall views and engagement. Publicize the video by publishing your video's URL everywhere. Try to get mentions on websites and e-newsletters, blogs, etc. Not just your own, but those of others as well. And also try to get mentions in traditional media. So there's the list, the checklist as you plan to try to find ways to optimize your video. Just go down this list and make sure that you've done as many of these as you possibly can to increase engagement and viewership and promote your video.